Hello, Enella from Sparklean Cleaning Services. This is Joel from JND SEO, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online and improve your website. If at the end of the video you have any questions, we can set up a quick phone call and I can answer those for you. If not, then you can take the free tips and strategies that I'm going to give you today and you can apply them to your site. So the 3 things we'll talk about today are content, links, and citations. So we'll start with content, and I'm on your home page now, looking at your page. It looks nice. You have some about us, some contact us, your services there, and some testimonials, which is really good. Now, what Google cares about the most is all of this, right? They want to know about all of your content. Now, Google's looking for about 1,500 words of content. And looking at your page, you probably have under maybe 400 or so words of content. So definitely adding more content would be one way that would help you to rank higher in Google and be easier to be found online by more customers looking for your services. Now, I'm also going to show you the Maids Worcester because they're one of the top companies right now for cleaning services in Worcester. And when I show you the search here in a minute, you'll see that as well. If we look at their page, they have some of their tabs up here for other sites here with links. They have the cleaning services, career, review, about us, gifts, and free quotes. We can see they have a nice professional site as well. You know, they have more content than what you have, but they still don't have 1,500 words of content. They probably have under 800 words or so. So let's go back, 'cause we don't just want to have content, right? We want to make sure we have keywords in that content. So when someone searches for cleaning services Worcester MA and they use this exact phrase or keyword, keywords are just groups of words that people will frequently search. So I can tell you right now that 90 people will search this exact phrase every single month in Google. So in order to be found for this, you want to make sure that this keyword is on your page so that your page will show up when somebody searches for it. So there's 3 ways to get on the first page of Google. You can pay for ads and be on the top here. You can also get in this map pack or GMB Google My Business, and the top 3 show up on the main search page. Or you can show up in the organic results where 10 companies show up on every page. And at the bottom, we're going to see a few more ads as well. Now, as you can see, the top result is the Maids Worcester here, which is what I showed you for their site. And there's a couple of ways to get up here on this page. So we talked about that you want 1,500 words of content, and you want to have keywords in that content. Now, Google also wants to make sure that your site is trusted. So the way to do that is I took your website, sparkcleancomp.com, and I put it into a program called Ahrefs that I pay for, and it tells me how sites are performing. So I can see here you've got a couple of keywords on your site. This is good. This allows Google to find you a little bit easier. And then we want to dive into these numbers. So the UR number right here, this is actually going to be Google's trust in your site, and the DR is going to be your power behind your site. We can see right now that the numbers aren't really registering for that because we don't have enough behind it. So we're going to talk about some of these links. So we have backlinks over here, and we have referring domains here. Now, referring domains are just other websites that are linked to your site through backlinks. And backlinks are links that when you click them on those sites, it's going to redirect them back to your site. So I can see here that you have 3 referring domains pointing back, or 3 other websites pointing back to your site. We can see all 3 of them are considered strong sites, so that's a good thing. And backlinks are the links on those sites. So a great example would be like a Facebook business page. If you guys had one of those set up for your company, then your Facebook business page would be your referring domain. And where you put your web address on Facebook, that would be your backlink. When you click on it, it would look like this. It's going to bring you back to your site. Now, with no data really showing up, we're not finding any keywords or searches that you can be found in Google for. So therefore, we're not bringing up any actual results or any visitors to your site currently organically. So I'm going to hop over to the Maids Worcester. I'm going to show you their site. We see their header up here. They have 702 backlinks on their 99 referring domains or websites they're linked to. Of the 99 sites pointing back at them, 31 are strong. So even though they have a lot, only 31 of these are probably ones you'd want to consider getting. And that's giving them a trust of 26. These meters both go to 100, so they don't have a lot of power behind the site, but they do have some trust with Google because these sites are vouching for them, the 31 strong ones. Now, they're being found for about 460 keywords in searches, and that's bringing them about 182 actual visitors to their website every single month. And you're probably thinking, well, how would I ever get all those, right? Well, we can actually click their referring domains, see the websites that they're linked to, And we can get some of these same ones by going to those sites. We can make a profile, we can join a membership as well, and we can get some of those same referring domains pointing back at us with links as well. Now that's all to get in the organic section. Now to get in the map pack or GMB Google My Business, you want to be one of the top 3 companies because you're going to get a lot of results. And the way to do that is through citations. And that's getting your business name, address, and phone number all listed into other websites. These are directory sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, or social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. And you're going to get a lot of calls because you see the website, the phone numbers are displayed here, as well as the website as well. And the third option to get on the first page is to pay for ads. You would just have to outbid these top 3 and you'd show up ahead of them. All right, so I hope this information was helpful for you. I'll give you a call in a day or so just to check in and make sure it was. But thank you for your time and have a great day.